I just want you to know real quick, Beetle is on the ground, face down, ass up, and he is passed out. Because
Oh.
we have no beds. Yeah. Yeah.
Then I guess you could say Beetle's a little down in the dumps. I'm here all week. Maybe we should get back on track and actually accomplish something.
Yeah, I think, that's a good idea.
Only one way to find out.
Yeah, no, yeah, your timing with these sound effects is actually so crazy. Okay, what would you like to do in the game now?
Are you okay?
Yeah, no, I'm fine. I'm fine. You're the vine boom just took me out. It took me out, man. I didn't expect you to do that.
Yeah, I have a soundboard app and I couldn't resist.
Oh, okay. Yeah, what other sounds do you have?
Once I install it, I'll have a flashbang sound. But right now I have Vine Boom, Incorrect Buzzer, Womp Womp Womp, Among Us, Prowler Jump Scare, Scary, Death Sound, Bonk, Groan Tube, Yippee.
play the Among Us. Play the Among Us one.
There you go. That was for you. No, don't leave. This is your last warning.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm not gonna leave. That was really good. Thanks, Neuro. Thanks.